Hello guys, so let's take these planters from Dollar Tree and spray painted in gold. We're going to place one upside down. The first one, put hot glue and attach it into place. Then put rock in there just for the weight. Then put more hot glue and attach another one into place. Then we're going to do the same thing and attach it into place. Then I'm going to take this tray and spray paint it in gold. I'm going to attach it with hot glue on top and then place the mirror on top. And this is how cute, you guys, it turns out. You have a side table, super cute and simple. Now for the next idea, I'm gonna take this mirror from Dollar Tree. I'm gonna cover it with a piece of paper just to mark it down, make a circle. Go ahead and cut it out and attach it in there. Then spray paint it in gold. Then I took this round mirror and I'm going to spray paint the outside part. Then place it together like that. Then I'm going to take this part and attach it to the other mirror like that. Make sure to use E6000s. And this is how beautiful, you guys, it turns out. Super cute and easy that you guys can do for your home decorations. These are home ideas that you guys can do from Dollar Tree DIYs. So now for the next idea, I'm going to take this bathroom mat. I'm going to spray paint it in gold. Then I'm going to take this glass and put a little bit of hot glue and attach another glass on top to make it taller. And then you're just going to go ahead and attach the mat to the glass here. You have to let it dry really good because if not, the gold color comes out. To be honest, on this one, it took me a long time to dry. And this is how beautiful, you guys, it turns out. Super cute, super simple. Then just plus flower on top and it looks super great. Hope you guys like this DIY video. I shared this video before, but I want to share with you guys again. So I got one of these tall glass and a candle holder. I'm going to put some hot glue and attach it on top like that. Then after that, I'm going to grab this candle, but I'm going to use the top of the candle and I'm going to put some hot glue on top of the candle holder and attach it, spray paint it in gold. And this is how beautiful, you guys, it turns out. It's like a candle holder. This will look also great on a wedding decoration if you put flower inside. Either way that you guys decide to put it, I think it looks amazing. These canvas is like a big canvas. I'm gonna spray paint it and white. You could paint it if you would like. Then they have this little plate in Dollar Tree that looks like that. I'm just gonna go ahead and take these and spray paint them in gold. Then I'm gonna take my canvas that we spray painted in black, and we're gonna take the little plates. I don't know how you call them. If you know how you call them, please let me know in the comments. And then I'm just put some hot glue and I'm going to attach it to the bottom part like that. After you attach all of them together, we're gonna take some string lights like this one, and I'm gonna take it, put it in the middle. But before I put it in the middle, I'm gonna take my hot glue, put some hot glue on around it, and then just go ahead and attach it to the middle like that. I got these round mirrors, which I'm gonna put some hot glue in the lights, and then I'm going to attach it to the middle like that. And then you're gonna go ahead and take your light, attach it all the way around. And this is how beautiful, you guys, it turns out. This is so cute. You could do it any color that you guys would like. I just give you the idea. You guys decide. So we're going to take one of these little balls from Dollar Tree, two of these, and we're going to attach them together, one on top of each other. Make sure to put enough hot glue like that, and then just attach it into place. After that, we're going to take this floral foam and attach it right in the middle in there. Then I'm going to take these rocks and place it inside like that. Then leave a little gap to put the glass, and then put rock in the glass or put a candle. And this is how cute, you guys, it turns out. This is like something so simple that you guys can do for a home decor idea that will be easy and simple that you guys can do. Now for the next thing, I'm going to take one of this plate, put a little bit of floral foam, and then just attach flower around it like that. Just attach the whole thing. Once you do the whole thing, I'm going to take these head massagers and spray paint it in silver. I'm going to use 3 of these and I'm going to place them together like that. Then I'm going to put a little bit of hot glue to attach it in the middle, and then hot glue to attach the plate on top. Put a glass on the top, and then put flowers around it. And this is how beautiful, you guys, it turns out. So cute, so simple, and so easy that you guys can do. Now for the next idea, I'm going to take the same little plate, but I'm going to use this ring, necking ring, and put it in the middle, then place a little bowl on top, put a candle holder on top and there, and then just go ahead and spray paint it in gold. I'm going to put a glass on top like that, just attach it into place, put a candle inside, and then just put flower all the way around it. And this is like an easy and cute centerpiece that you guys can do for your home. You could just put rocks and not put the flower. If you like, I'm just giving a different idea. You decide how you guys want to use it. Now for the next idea, I'm going to take one of these little clear plates from Dollar Tree, and I'm going to take this one as well, and I'm going to spray paint it in black, the big one, and then just put a little candle on top, then place the plate on top and the light, and then I'm just going to attach the light all the way around it. And this is something so simple and easy and cute that you guys can do. You could place 1, you could place 3 like that. It's up to you guys how many you guys want to do. Either way, I think it looks super cute and it's so easy to do, and your home will looks great like it's something Very cute to do. Now for the next idea, so we're gonna take this pool noodle from Dollar Tree and we're gonna just go ahead and bend it like that. Bend it down, just gonna place them together like that. You're gonna grab a knife and you're gonna cut it so you can have the same length on the pool noodle like that. Then just go ahead and cut it through it. Once you cut it through it, we're going to use this piece like that. So we're going to grab another piece, but we're going to make it smaller than the first piece that we just used. So just going to go ahead and make a smaller version, fold it together like that. And we're going to do the same process, just flip it like that so it could be the same length. And then just go ahead and cut it through it. After you cut it, the pool noodle through it, we're going to go ahead and grab this string, this gold string, and you're going to place it inside. These are the one that is like a little bit stretchy. You would need like the stretchy string. Then the way that I did it to hold it down like that, just place it like that. And then after that, you're going to go ahead and make a knob like that. Just hold it, make a knob, and then we're going to make another one. And then just like that. Then after that, we don't want the knob to be seen, so we're just gonna place it inside the pool noodle just like that, and then cut the extra pieces out. And then that leaves you with the first piece like that. Now for the next one, we're gonna go ahead and put the string again and do the same process that we did before, and then we're gonna place it right on top. For this one, I'm gonna put a little bit of hot glue, but just a little bit of hot glue. It will not hold it right away into place. So what I did, I put a little toothpick inside it. I put like 2 of them just to hold it into place really good. Then we're gonna take this caulking, we're gonna place it around the top until we cover the whole thing. Once we cover the whole thing, we're gonna take a knife and we're just gonna go hold it like that. Make sure to hold it like the part of the knife like that so they give you those extra line. And this is how cute, you guys, it turns out. So simple, so easy. You could do it just like that. You could also place a flower in there instead of this little leaf. Or you could also, I'm going to take this candle snuffer, I'm going to take it apart and I'm going to place it inside like that. Just put it through it. You could also hold it here with a little bit of hot glue and then just go ahead and place it inside. And then we're going to do the other side as well. Then I'm going to take a candle, put a little bit of hot glue, and we're going to attach it into place. And this is how cute, you guys, it turns out. So simple and so easy that you guys can do at home. Now for the next idea, I'm going to grab one of this little cup and this little a kitchen bowl, and I'm gonna place them together like that and then spray paint it in white. And this is how cute, you guys, it turns out. So simple, so easy. You could put any other stuff inside and I think it looks great. Now for the next idea, I'm gonna take 2 of this glass, 1 small and 1 medium, and I'm gonna take this candle holder. I got this in Dollar Tree as well. I'm gonna put some hot glue and then I'm going to attach it on the top of the glass like that. So I'm gonna do the first one and I'm gonna do the head and do the other one and place it on top like that. So after we place the candle holder on top, we're going to go ahead and spray paint the whole thing in white. So you could do any color. And then I'm going to go ahead and put some candle. And this is how cute, you guys, it turns out. So simple, so easy that you guys can do at home. Today I decided to do a few home decor for you guys. I hope you guys like it. Please comment down below and let me know what you guys think of all of this DIY. And let me know which one is your favorite out of all of them. Thanks again for watching Special Creations by Nelly. And I hope you guys like this DIY video.